Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So in today's video I'm going to discuss 9-month strategy for UPSC CSE 2023. So basically this video is going to be in three parts. That is, in this video I will discuss a brief plan, and in the next video I'll discuss all the basic stuff, that is all the doubts that every aspirant has, like uh, basically beginner who wanted to prepare for UPSC don't know how he or she should start his preparation. So in second video I'm going to discuss about NCRTs, about the syllabus, previous year question papers, about book list and answer writing, about mock test, all those things. And in the third video I'm going to discuss the timetable that you can follow for 9 months. So before discussing the strategy, I would like to tell you one thing. One shoe doesn't fit for all. Similarly, this plan doesn't suit for all. If you have already made your own strategy, so you can skip this video. If you have any doubts, you can watch this. Or if you are a beginner and you actually want a strategy, you can watch it. So as I told you, basically this video will be in three parts. So in this part I will just briefly give you a 9 months strategy, that is considering this 13 days, that is we have 13 days left in August. So including this 30 days and September and October, we are supposed to read our NCRTs. So this NCRTs are not from class 6 to class 12. Here we are going to study only important NCRTs that may be from 9th class to 12th class, or only of 11th and 12th. So in this short period of time, that is in September and October, we are going to finish our NCRTs. So once we have finished our NCRTs, the next thing we are going to do is, from November to February, we are going to concentrate on our main syllabus only. That is because once you have cleared your prelims, you will nearly have 100 to 120 days of time left for your mains. So in this 100 to 120 days, it is really difficult for you to recall all the matter, all the subject that you have learned, and it is difficult you to practice the answer writing, and it is also difficult for you to revise your optional. So it is better to finish your main syllabus first rather than concentrating on prelims. So from November to February, you are supposed to complete your main syllabus at least 70 to 80%. And when you start preparing for mains, that is when you start your preparation from November, when you have completed your 30 to 40% of main syllabus, then you are ready to practice your answer writing. So this is because without knowing anything, and if you start your answer writing, then it will take nearly 5 to 6 hours to write a perfect answer. So rather than wasting 5 to 6 hours for one answer, it is better to first complete 30 to 40% of your syllabus, and then it is advisable to start practicing answers. So along with this, from August, that is from these 13 days, that is from tomorrow onwards, you have to start your optional preparations also. That is, um, now here I have told you you have 9 months left. So in this 9 months we are preparing for mains till February. That is, from March, April and May, balance these 3 months we will concentrate only on prelims. So until February we are supposed to concentrate on our main syllabus. So during this period, from tomorrow onwards, if you start preparing for your optional, at least you will complete 70 to 80% of your optional. But if your optional is bit length, it takes nearly 60 to 70%. And if you are thorough with 70% of your optional by February, then your half of the work will be done. And when you are preparing for mains exclusively after prelims, it will be easy for you to attend answer writing. So it is advisable to start preparing for your optional from tomorrow itself. And once you have finished your mains preparation after February, you have to stop preparing for your mains and you have to concentrate only on prelims. That is, in March, April and May, you have to concentrate on the topics that are prelims oriented, and you have to attend a number of mock tests. And one more important thing here is many of you may get confused about newspaper also. So if you're absolute beginner and if you don't know how to read your newspaper, so most of them will suggest you to watch daily newspaper analysis. But in my personal opinion, rather than watching daily news analysis and wasting your time, it is advisable to read any one newspaper, whether it is the Hindu or Indian Express. If you feel the language of Hindu is suitable for you, you can read that. So start reading your newspaper. At least read editorials. If you don't want to cover other news, just read editorials, because editorials help you to understand what type of answer you can build while writing mails. So it is advisable to read at least editorials if you don't want to read other news. So this is how you are supposed to choose a short and sweet strategy in this 9 months. And as I told you that in our second video, I will discuss the basic stuff that is required for UPSC. And in that you will get all the doubts clear, and you will get all the basic things that you should do before starting your preparation. And one more thing, here I have given just a brief outline, and the monthly plan and daily plan that should be followed in this 9 months will be given in another video. So I hope you have understood what I'm trying to tell. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.